Good evening, students. Today we will be talking about prediction of 11 July exam from IDB for academic and general both, but my prediction for academic only. In academic, listening part 1, fill-ups, one word, it's easy. In section 2, MCQ and map, it's easy to moderate. Section 3, fill-ups, more than 3 words. Section 4, MCQs or speaker, it's moderate, right? And its exam is easy to moderate for listening. Now we are go for reading for academic. Part 1, it's blanks and true false not given. It's easy. Prefer Cambridge 10 to 15. It's important. Part 2, heading matching and MCQ is easy to moderate. And part 3, locating the informations and name of person of scientist and statement, it's moderate, and the whole reading is easy to moderate. And prefer the books for the practice is Cambridge 15 10 to 15, but you have to prefer Cambridge 14 and 15 for reading. It's the best because the whole exam will be format like Cambridge 14 and 15. It's important, right? And it's Cambridge 15 right now, it's new, that's why it's very important. And it's the format is good, but in you have to just remember that in reading passage 3 it's very tricky because they their language is so difficult. Yeah, right. After that, the writing section. In writing section, pie, map, table and line for task 1. In writing task 2, the topics are social issues, culture and traditionals, education, crime, science and technology, and environment. And the questions are: to what extent do you agree or disagree? What are the reasons and discuss the effect? And the third is 2 question based. They will be given 2 questions, you have to answer for that, right? In agree disagree, I say if your agree disagree, you have to write 5 para, means 3 body para, 1 conclusion and 1 introduction. What are the reasons and discuss the effects? In this you have to write 4: 1 introduction, 2 body para, 1 for reason and 1 for effect, and 4th is its conclusion, right? In 2 question base you have to write 4 para. First introduction, right, 2 body para, and 3rd is and 4th is conclusion. Now in agree disagree, I say or to what extent, whatever, to what extent, or only do you agree, whatever the question, only the thesis statement and question reference will be changed, all the things will be remain same in this, whatever the question, if do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree, it doesn't matter what was that, right? That's all, and best of luck for your exam.